Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm wrapping up our little series on the Stylized Fire effect. In this video, we'll bring everything together into a full particle system, a flame that feels alive in space, glowing and burning. We'll use the fire material from the previous tutorial, make a new particle texture for embers and add some glow on top. For the embers texture, I'll show you one of my favorite quick tricks in Substance Designer. With the tile sampler node, we can scatter paraboloids of different shapes and sizes, combine them with a mask and easily get the base for tiny burnt particles. Then I'll warp them a bit, add masks and glow so they start to look like little stylized embers. Once the texture is ready, we'll move into Unity and build the system. I always start with an empty container emitter where I keep everything organized. All values reset, no material assigned, and clear names for each emitter so I don't get lost later. The first emitter is our flame. Since fire is always burning, we only need one particle that never dies, using the material we made earlier. There is a common issue here. With a single particle and matching lifetimes, you often get flickering. To fix this, I'll show you the ring buffer mode, pause until replace trick, super useful. Next comes the glow. I'll duplicate the flame material, swap textures and tweak it until it looks like soft light. For horizontal glow, I use render alignment local, rotate the sprite and animate size and color with looping curves to make it flicker naturally. Then I duplicate it again, set render alignment view and shift it a bit so it always faces the camera. In Unity, we also control the drawing order, so glow renders first, fire second. It's just a matter of adjusting order in layer. Then we'll add flying embers. I want them to feel random but still part of the whole system. They fade out as they rise, using our new flipbook texture and stretch billboard mode so they stretch along their velocity. If they stretch the wrong way, no worries, just rotate the texture. A little noise and variation in speed makes them feel alive. To push the contrast, I also like adding darker embers. They are almost invisible on black background, but in lighter scenes they really make the fire pop. For that, I duplicate the emitter, make them fewer but bigger, slower, and give them an alpha blending material with more opacity. And that's it, a complete stylized fire particle system. I did a final tweak with speed scale to reduce stretching, and I am happy with the result. Thanks for watching, I hope this gave you some new ideas, and see you in the next video.